Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm so excited to have you guys here today. I am going to be doing my front porch. I'm going to be decorating it for fall and bringing out all of my fall decor, and I'm so excited to finally be filming today's video. If you guys have missed the other parts in my fall decorating series, I will link them up in the cards as well as down below. I have been just decorating my house like a crazy person, and I'm so excited to finally be sharing the front porch. If you guys happen to be new to my channel today, I did just want to introduce myself really quickly. My name is Whitney. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 kids, and my husband and I live in West Virginia. We are originally from Maryland, and we moved out to West Virginia 4 years ago, and we love it. I do a ton of motherhood and lifestyle and decorating, cleaning, organizing, all the things homemaking here on my channel. So if that sounds like something that you guys would be interested in, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and join the family, and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you are excited for fall and how you are decorating your home for this fall season. I'm going to be starting some Halloween content here in the coming weeks, so I'm really excited for you guys to see all of that and what I come up for that as well. So anyway, without further ado, we're just gonna get started on the video and head outside to decorate the front porch for fall. I have all of my mums here. I also have 2 more in the car that you guys can't see, so I'm gonna pull these out and then I'll kind of show you guys all of the things that I'm going to be using to decorate my front porch. Alright, so here's everything that I'm going to be using for the front porch. Now, these mums right here are all from Lowe's. I believe these were $10 or $11 and these were $18. And then the pumpkins and these mums were from a local farmer's market, which I actually think these are the prettiest. And they were the cheapest. They were only $7. So if you guys are looking for mums, go check out a local farmer's market. I find that they have better prices and their stuff's just a little bit nicer in my opinion. And then the pumpkins, I believe the small ones were $1 each, and then those were by pound. I think they were like $2 or $3 each. And then these pillows I showed you guys in my home decor haul for fall. These were in the Target dollar spot this season, and then I just have this white throw blanket. And then this front doormat, I want to say it was from Target or Lowe's last season, but I honestly cannot remember. I know they don't have it this year, so I will try to link something similar if I can, but this is everything that I'm using this year. I am going to start by taking down all of the previous decor that I have out here, and then I'm going to wipe everything down. Not gonna go too crazy, but I would really like to wipe down the front door and then the rocking chairs and stuff as well. Okay, so here is a little before of what my porch is looking like before I start decorating for fall. Now, this is leftover from the spring and summer months. I didn't do a whole lot out here in the spring and summer. I kept it very simple. But before I begin decorating out here, I wanted to remove all of the existing decorations that I had out here and just give everything a nice wipe down. I'm going to be wiping down the front door, the windows on the side there, and then the rocking chairs as well. And then I will be sweeping out here and just making sure everything is nice and clean before I begin decorating. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time
time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by.
You guys will have to let me know down in the comments what is something that you are looking forward to this fall season. Maybe it's a tradition you do with family, or maybe you have a trip planned, or just something that you're looking forward to in the coming months. I am really excited to do the pumpkin patch with my kids. It's something that I've been really looking forward to. It's something that we love to do every year, and so I'm just really excited for that. And of course, just like hot chocolate nights and movie nights with family. I'm just really looking forward to all of that to come in the coming weeks.
Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights.
I'm going to begin decorating now, and I had this random throw blanket in our living room. It was just kind of in our throw blanket bin that I have, and I wasn't using it for anything, and I thought it would really cozy up this space out here and just add a nice contrast to the black rocking chairs. And then I'm adding those pumpkin pillows that I picked up from the Target dollar spot. Again, just a really nice contrast with the orange and the black rocking chairs. I don't typically love the color orange, and especially a very orange color like this pillow, but I thought it would look really nice out here on the front porch, and I'm trying to go for more of like a traditional style out here. You guys know the inside of my home is very neutral with lots of muted colors, but I really wanted to incorporate more of those loud, vibrant colors for fall. Now I am just adding that wheat wreath that you guys saw there. Again, I just love the contrast with the black door, and then I'm adding a front doormat. Now I actually end up switching the stripes back over. I think the stripes will be really nice for Halloween. I'm not loving it for fall time yet. And then I am just going to go in and add all of my mums to the front steps here. I thought the really big ones would look nice as a statement piece here next to the front door. And then I will just kind of fill in the rest of the stairs with the rest of the mums that I have, and all of the pumpkins as well.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
I love how my front porch turned out. I was really trying to keep it minimal. I am going to be adding a lot more pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns and decor out here as we get closer to Halloween, so I was trying to keep it minimal for the coming weeks. But anyways, you guys, that is actually going to end today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you leave my channel feeling motivated and inspired, and maybe have some ideas on how you want to decorate your porch for the fall season. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my channel and my videos, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!